This feature is going to give you more views, more visibility, more watch hour, more subscribers, and to crown it all, monetization. It's a new YouTube feature. I don't know if you have it already because I know it has been rolled out to majority of people, but I don't know if you have. But maybe after this video, after you're done watching this video, go and check if you already have this particular feature, because me, I have it already. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys to see. I might not be doing a screen record, but I might just be leaving like images, just to actually explain. So now let's get straight into it. So you have to do this, let's say in the process of uploading your video. So assume that, okay, I want to upload a video today by 12 p.m. and then I've already recorded the video. I have my title, I have my thumbnail, I have my tags, I have every other necessary information needed for me to be able to upload this particular video. Then when you are like in the process of uploading all of these things, before you click on upload, if you look down here, I'm going to be leaving the image for you guys to see. There is a part that YouTube says invite a collaborator. Not everybody have it. See, I'm going to teach you how to use this particular feature the right way, because some people have been using it the wrong way. Have been seeing invites from people saying, oh, they want to collaborate with me. And guess what, guys? They are not in the same niche as me. Like, we are not in the same niche at all. We are in different niche. How we live life, we have different audiences. The right way to use it is to use somebody in your niche. Like someone that you guys are actually in sync. You guys are actually creating the same thing. You guys have the same audience. Their audience is interested in your content. Imagine somebody in the motivational niche. The person said to me, I was like, you are doing motivational video. Me, my old videos, they are not motivational videos. I'm in the YouTube growth niche. So we have totally different audience. It won't fly. I actually did not accept that particular invite because I know it will be doing more harm to the person said, because it will not fly. Because if YouTube is showing a particular video to some people and they're not clicking on it, YouTube will stop and it's even be harming the person's channel. So instead of harming the person's channel, I rather not even accept, so that I don't harm the person's channel further. Do you guys actually understand? So it's best whenever you want to do something like this, do it with someone that is in your niche. For me now, people in my niche, let's say Glory C, Vibe with Sonia, Princess Chiamaka, Jazzy Studio, Ben did it, Chiamaka Okoli. There are so many of them. I cannot even finish mentioning all of them. There are so many in my niche right now that I can actually collaborate with. Yeah. So just look for people in your niche, like research, search YouTube. But not those people in your niche, those that are actually doing well, those that have engagement, because that is how to use it properly. Don't go and do it for someone that is also growing as you. Like, let's say you are having like 100 views. Maybe the person you now want to collaborate with is also having 100 views. It won't fly. It won't work. You're just wasting your time. Look for someone that is getting more visibility than you, but you guys are in the same niche. Do you actually understand that? Let me now show you something more about this particular feature. If you click on it, you will see this part that says you are in control. Only you can make changes on the video. The person you are collaborating with cannot make changes for you. You are the only one. Then expanded reach. We will help your video reach your collaborators' audiences. So their audience, remember I said that, the audience they have. Because that video, as long as they accept it, it will show on their own page. Then full ownership. You get to get full ownership of that particular video. Do you understand? So whenever you want to like do, just click on this part, that search for a channel. Just click on that part and click on the person's channel you want to use. Let's say if it is Glory C you want to use, just enter a name, Glory C. I'm just talking about for my own niche. Me, I really know information about those in my niche. I don't really know how about other people's niche. That's why if you see me mentioning Glory C, Vibe with Sonia, it's because that's my niche and I've really acclimatized myself with this particular niche. So that's like the only thing popping up in my head right now. But for you, you can actually put out names in your niche. Because I don't even know the name of anybody that is not in my niche. Which person name can I call right now? See, it's not naturally coming. So this particular niche, I love it so much. So let's just say Vibe with Sonia, enter Vibe with Sonia, or enter Glory, enter Princess Chiamaka. Click on the search, it's going to pop out. So once it pop out, and that is the person you actually want to, collaborate with, you just click on their name. So once you click on their name, they will ask you that, YouTube will ask you that, do you want them to be able to view the analytics? If you want them to be able to view the analytics, all you just need to do, just toggle it on. Then they can be viewing the analytics to be seeing how views are coming, how people are engaging with your video. But if you don't want them to view the analytics, you just want to be the only one viewing it, you toggle it off. The only thing they do for you, they accept, and that your video pops up in their own page. If they are kind enough, they will actually accept and help you. But the truth is that not everybody you send to will actually accept. So people, they're like, we cannot help you. We are sorry. So that's why you should not just send it to just one person. Have like several people in mind in your niche. You can have like 5 different people, 6 different people, Like for each of your videos, as you upload for this one, choose this particular creator. Upload another video, choose this particular creator. Separate it, because not everybody will accept. That is like the plain truth. Just like me right now, I did not accept for some people because we are not in the same niche. But if we are in the same niche and I see it, I will definitely accept. You know, because I also want everybody to grow. I want people in my niche. I want people to also, like, you know, to also start earning, to get monetized. That is my joy. And that's why I am doing this niche, because I want to see people grow in their YouTube channel. I want to see people excel. That's why I'm so interested in this particular niche. All right. With that being said, so after all of that has been done, like you have actually fixed all of that, put your collaborator, YouTube will send them a link, they will accept it, your video is going to, so once you go back to your video, you click on the save and you click on the upload, immediately your video goes live. It's going to go live on their channel, and then you will get to see, it's just like somebody running a promotion, but this kind of promotion is on a free level. Because imagine, the only prayer you should just be praying that, God, please, let this person I want to collaborate with, let this person accept me. That should just be your only prayer. God, please, just let this person accept. Once they accept you and they're having engagement, it will look like you just went to run promotion on your channel. Because the kind of audience, the kind of way people will actually be watching, especially if that video is not a good video. If you want to collaborate, make sure you use good video. Don't just use anyhow video, because you want to attract their audience to your channel, right? So you have to use a very good video. So yeah, without too much talk, because I feel like I'm already overemphasizing. I hope you guys already pick one or two. And before I continue, you guys might be thinking that, why is this video like this? Let me tell you something. See, I'm actually using slippers right now as my camera stand. That's why this video is, you guys manage it. I'm using slippers. I just woke up this morning. I saw my camera stand broken on the floor. I'm thinking it's my baby, but I'm not sure because I did not see her going there to break it. But I just woke up in the morning and I saw it on the floor, broken already. I don't even know what to do. So I had to improvise. I had to use this one as my light. And then I have to use slippers. My husband's slippers. I had to, like, you know, arrange them together and record this video. So this is me just encouraging you that nothing should stop you from creating video. For those of you thinking, oh, I don't have a camera stand yet, I don't have lights, I don't have this, I don't have that, nothing should stop you at all. See, nothing stopped me from creating this particular video. I hope I've actually encouraged you in that part. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you do learn something, or if you'll be trying this collaboration method, let me know in the comment section. Please do what to hit on the subscribe button, do what to like, do what to share. And if you're an OG, thank you so much. We are over 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. In just few weeks. It's not even up to a month. I was still struggling with 3K subscribers. Imagine 3K subscribers to over 10K subscribers in few weeks, not up to a month. I'm super excited and grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.